Gurubhyo Namaha. Om Dhanvantri Namaha. As you know, myself Sharat Kumar. I am studying BMS in Alas Ayurveda Medical College. In previous video, we have studied about Aragvada, the points which are mentioned in our classicals. Now I am with a new drug that is about Bilva. Let's see some of the informations that are mentioned in our classical, that is on Samhitas and in Nigantus, about the Bilva. Bilva, a medium-sized deciduous glabrous tree distributed throughout the India, which grows about 8 to 15 meter. The leaf morphology is, the leaves are palmately compound, trifoliate, petiolate and alternate. The flowers are pediculate, bisexual and white in color. They are 5 in petals. Fruit is berry with wooden rind, ovoid, sweet pulp, having many orange-like seeds. The parts used in Ayurveda is root, fruit and the leaves. In Sanskrita, the meaning of Bilva is useful in bowel diseases, particularly in Atisara, that is dysentery. Bilva botanically identifies as Aegle marmelos, belongs to the family Rutaceae. If you observe the regional names of Bilva is, in Malayalam it is called as Kavalam, in Hindi it is called as Bale, in English it is called as Bale tree, in Kannada it is called as Bilva Patre. The synonyms of Bilva as mentioned in our classicals is Kandaki, Srifala, Sadafala, Tripatra and Grahi. The meaning of the synonyms are like this. Kandaki, which means thorny tree. Kandaki means thorny tree. Srifala means fruits are having good aroma. Sadafala means this tree bears fruit always. Tripatra means trifoliate. The leaflets are trifoliate. You can see this. The leaflets are arranged in 3 in number. That's why it is called as Tripatra. And the synonym Grahi gives the meaning used in Atisara. If you observe the Rasa Panchaka of this Bilva as mentioned in our classicals is, the Rasa of Bilva is Tikta, Katu and Kashaya as a Anurasa. Guna is Lagu Guna and Ruksha Guna. The Virya, potency of Bilva is Ushna Virya. And the Vipaka is Katu Vipaka. Doshagna, that is action on Tridosha is, Bilva is Kafavatahara. Bilva having main action Shotahara. The main prabhava of Bilva is Shotahara. Bilva is febrifuge, appetizer, digestant, anti-inflammatory, especially useful in ophthalmic disorders, deafness, diabetes. Dashamularishta used in Swasa, Kasa and Ajirna. In this Dashamularishta, Bilva is the one among the constituent. Indication of Bilva in classicals is for Kamala, that is jaundice, Aruchi, Prameha, diabetes, Atisara, dysentery, Shota and Grahani Roga. The yogas of Bilva, Bilvadi Lehya, Bilvadi Churna, Bilvadi Gutika and Dashamularishta. Ganas, Charaka, Sushruta and Vagbhata Maharshi mentioned this Bilva in some of the Ganas for the treatment purpose. That is, the Charaka Maharshi mentioned this Bilva in Shotahara Gana, Ashwagna Gana, Astapanopaga Gana, Anuvasanopaga Gana. Sushruta Maharshi mentioned this Bilva in Varunadi Gana, Ambastadi Gana and Bruhat Panchamula. As well as Vagbhata Maharshi mentioned this Bilva in Varunadi Gana, Ambastadi Gana. Some focals say that The, the fruit of bilva is best for diabetes, and some say that applying the paste of fruit pulp to the hairs will cure the dandruff and any other kesha related problems. Thank you. This is the small information that I have collected from our classicals, that is from Samhitas and Nigantus. This is the small information about bilva. Thank you. Let's meet in next video with a new drug.